These are really nice for getting into tight spaces, like doing a little bonsai. You know, we don't want to bring a sledgehammer. We just want to trim off the dead stuff here. It's really easy to just be in control of all your cuts. Yeah, these are just wonderful. For doing flowers and stuff, they're nice, but you can do other pruning too. All right, let's talk about my wife's favorite pruners. We've got so many sets of these laying around everywhere. It's a nice 6-inch handle pruner. Is that 6 inches? Yep. It's got a little lock on it so it doesn't come flopping open. Good blade on there. This is great for pruning indoor plants, outdoor plants. That's the nice thing about them. Little rubberized grip. I like that they spring back. Really easy. So they're great in my hand. My wife's smaller hands work fine too. If this ever starts loosening up, you can tighten it down really easy. Let's go try them out.